Hi, Eddie's Kitchen 친구분들. Today, I will make Korean spicy stir-fry pork called 제육 볶음. And then, I will make a triangle kimbap using the 제육 볶음. It's called 제육 볶음 삼각김밥. Get about 1 pound of pork, 돼지 고기. Pork shoulder, tenderloin, sirloin, or belly can be good. Cut the pork into thin bite-sized pieces. To get rid of the bad meat flavor and make the pork tender, add the 맛술, 후추, and 소금 to the pork. Mix everything gently and set it aside for at least 10 minutes. Cut the vegetable ingredients such as the onion, 양파, the green onions, 파, and red hot pepper, 홍고추, and green hot pepper, 청고추. These hot peppers are optional. Get quarter cup worth of grated apple. Sweet apples such as Fuji, Gala, and Red Delicious can be good options. This fruit juice not only gives good flavor, but it also makes your pork tender. In a bowl, combine the 고추장, 고춧가루, 간장, 설탕, 사과, 다진 마늘, 생강가루, and 참기름. Mix everything together. Add the marinated pork and the onion into the sauce. Mix all together. Cover and marinate it for at least 3 hours in the refrigerator. A few hours later, put the marinated pork in a slightly oiled and heated pan. Fry it for about 5 minutes or until the meat is completely cooked or medium-high. After 5 minutes, add the green onions and hot peppers. Fry for 1 more minute and then turn off the heat. Wow, it looks very delicious, doesn't it? Now let's make a delicious triangle kimbap with this JeYuk BokkEum. So get 1 cup of JeYuk BokkEum and cut the pork into little pieces with scissors. Next, finely chop the onion and green hot pepper. This step is optional, but I like these additional flavors to the rice a lot, so please try them if you can. Mix together the cooked short grain rice, 밥, salt, the sesame oil, the sesame seed, 참깨, chopped onion, and hot green pepper in a bowl. Divide the rice mixture into 4 portions. Each one will make 1 triangle kimbap. This is a kit for making triangle kimbap. You can buy it from a Korean grocery store or Amazon.com. The kit has 10 pieces of plastic wrapped dried laver, 1 plastic triangle mold, and some stickers. We need 4 dried laver pieces for this recipe. Place the side marked with the number 1 face down with the 1 at the top. Then place the plastic forming tool on top of the seaweed, like this. Take half of the 1 portion of the rice we divided earlier. It will be about quarter cup. Fill the bottom of the triangle shape with the rice and spread it out evenly. Put quarter cup of 제육 볶음 on the rice and spread it out evenly. Now, put another quarter cup of rice on top of the 제육 볶음. In the same way, spread it out evenly. You can see the rice is up to the top of the plastic mold. Press the rice with the other plastic piece in the kit until you push it down to the line on the first plastic piece. This way, the rice will get a nice firm shape for the triangle kimbap. Slowly remove the plastic forming tools and fold the seaweed sheet up over the rice. Fold both sides of the seaweed down over the rice and tuck the extra seaweed under the rice. Now, fold both sides of the bottom seaweed piece up over the sides to the center of the triangle. Fasten it with a piece of the sticker. Use the same process for the other 3 triangle kimbap. Here is how to open it. First, pull the one at the top of the triangle. And then peel off both 2 and 3. It is now ready to eat. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.